Hello everyone, today I'll show you on how to play any Spotify song while playing Roblox games on your device. Let's dive in. First, open the Shortcuts app and create a new one. Add the action, play pause, your shortcut should be now set. Then go through Settings. Navigate to Accessibility Touch. After that, enable Assessive Touch. Now tap on Double Tap within Assessive Touch settings. Scroll to the end and choose to play past action to play music, or Roblox in Spotify. Choose the song you'd like to overlay in Roblox for this tutorial. I will use this. Make sure the song starts playing. Then launch Roblox and join your preferred game to play Spotify song. Simply double-click Touch button. You'll receive notification indicating the song is playing. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Spotify tracks while gaming on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.